As consensus rolled to a close and the crypto mainstream's attention turned to the market downside, Input-Output were training new developers on how to build on Cardano at the free developer workshop. The fairweather crypto communities are built on FOMO and dismantled on FUD. And for this reason there is no longevity there. In Cardano our community is built differently. Irrespective of the market conditions, we don't let this distract us from what is being built here. The market conditions really do separate the communities that are in it for the moonshot to those who came with a desire to change the broken systems of today. The markets may be down, but it's moments like these that define how a blockchain will measure up when the positive sentiment returns. Above all, it's the community that builds the network effect, and Cardano seems to attract a different kind of individual. While some chains see building activity drop off in correlation to market downside, when I look around our ecosystem, all I see is progress, growth and determination. Welcome back for today's installment of Cardano Insights, delivering a fast-paced bite-sized roundup of the all-important Cardano news and ecosystem content from the past 24 hours. Join me as I explore exactly what's been happening at the very pulse of Cardano, so let's get straight into it. Recently, we discussed JPG Store's new minting feature and the news that the offers feature was imminent. Well, in this announcement, it's confirmed that the offers feature is now live, which marks a big step forward in the Cardano NFT marketplace scene. Briefly, let's go through how this works. When you make an offer, you lock your ADA into the smart contract. If the owner accepts the offer, your ADA gets sent and the NFT is received. If the owner declines, you have to cancel the offer to retrieve the ADA, as it's not an automatic process. This prevents the seller from having to pay fees for declined offers. Because offers are occurring in a new smart contract, if you receive an offer, you may need to delist the NFT if it's still on the old contract to accept the offer. You'll be prompted if you have to take any action here. Providing your email address, you can also set notifications to be alerted when new offers are received. And to avoid being spammed with undervalued offers, you can also set notification filters and specify to ignore offers that are below a certain value. In addition, due to a more optimized smart contract, users will notice a small decrease in fees when interacting with the platform. The offers feature is going to definitely positively affect the daily transaction volume at JPG Store, enabling users to unlock value from their NFTs more often. It also makes the NFT marketplace more appealing to users from other chains, as this kind of feature has been commonplace in more mature NFT scenes like OpenSea on Ethereum, making for a more attractive prospect to interact with. Next up into Muesliswap, and this announcement that after the success of their DEX aggregator, they have now moved the instant and limit swaps out of the beta phase. In addition, they've also integrated the Muesliswap order book protocol into the DEX aggregator, so you can truly find the best price available when making any swaps. I've said it many times, but I love the way Muesliswap operate. No nonsense, no hype or build up, they just keep dropping features, enhancing their DEX and announcing it after the fact. They did however give us this little teaser that their mainnet AMM is coming very soon. This will be a hybrid model combining the order book and AMM, meaning that they can offer instant settlement, low slippage, limit orders and partial fulfillment at the same time. It's also understood that they're very focused on keeping the fees low and competitive in comparison to other DEXs. With a DEX aggregator, instant swaps, limit swaps, partial fulfillment currently available, and AMM with liquidity pools and wrapped tokens coming very soon, Muesliswap is becoming one of the standout options when it comes to navigating the DEX scene on Cardano. Now to some news that's definitely going to be greeted with open arms for anyone who uses Ledger, marking another milestone to aid further adoption, providing a much better user experience. Ledger gave us this announcement that soon it will offer full support for ADA at Ledger Live. Currently, Cardano holders are not able to view their ADA token balances or their value held on the Ledger Live application. Considering the large number of ADA token holders who uses Ledger devices for cold storage, this functionality is long overdue. Ledger, whilst not giving any specific date, did state that barring any major issues, this should be released by the end of the week. And what's more interesting, and a testament to the Cardano community, is that this update was actually funded through Project Catalyst and was community driven. It just goes to show how the Cardano community operates and is always driven to get things done. Next up, and you may recall last week we discussed the on-chain voting protocol Voteaire had launched their testnet and were nearing mainnet completion. Well, today on-chain voting officially comes to Cardano and will be going live on mainnet. The first on-chain voting will take place in collaboration with AADA Ape and Wild Warriors NFT. Holders of the Wild Warriors NFT will be eligible to vote in the first official poll, which will kickstart what is sure to be a powerful tool in shaping the way the Cardano community governs and shapes the decision-making process when it comes to the things that matter to them. It's going to be very interesting to see how the Cardano community utilises such an innovative tool. Go check out the testnet if you haven't already, and if you're interested, check out the Wild Warriors NFT socials for further announcements on the vote. I've linked both of them in the description below. A few weeks ago, we covered AADA Finance, a peer-to-peer lending and borrowing platform that uses a unique NFT bond concept. In that video, we concentrated on their testnet, which has been live since May 12, and reviewed the number of community-driven updates that they had implemented to improve the user experience. But as the Vassal hard fork approaches, and we near the launch of this protocol, AADA Finance gave us this update outlining exactly what they're working on right now. In this tweet, they confirmed continued work on the liquidation oracle. This is where the lender can liquidate the loan if the price value of the collateral falls. Also, partial interest repayments. This will enable the borrower to only pay interest for the time period that the loan was actively taken if the loan is repaid earlier than the term set. And loan request expiration. This is the feature that enables the borrower to set the time when the loan request will expire. And in terms of the Vassal upgrade, the team have also confirmed that the node has been launched and they're currently in an ongoing testing phase in this regard. Whilst there are no specific dates for the launch of the platform, it's still believed that AADA Finance will go live at some point in July, meaning the Cardano ecosystem is soon to have a fully operational peer-to-peer lending platform. This is pretty significant, and if the NFT lending platforms like Lending Pond or Fluid Tokens is anything to go by, the launch of a Cardano native token lending platform is sure to gain traction, adding further use and utility to the blockchain. So that's it for another installment of Cardano Insights. I think it's fair to say that just from the 5 items we covered today, it's clear that building continues on Cardano and it isn't slowing down. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and found some value in the content, and if you did, please be sure to comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll be back soon with your daily roundup, and until then, thanks for watching, have a great day, and as always, keep it Cardano.